up in the beginning of the conversation between infrastructure and security is that collaboration, is the responsibility of the leakage that occurs. Where did that occur from? How did it generate? And a lot of the breaches that you see that occur are large volume of data, and it's usually copy data. For example, at the VA, where they had a 26 million copy database on the laptop, if that database was masked, then it would have been worthless. It would have been usable for what he needed to have it for, but you wouldn't have to compromise all those VA's information. So the challenge is the collaboration between the internal threat, because in the federal agencies you have these contractors that are working with the agencies. They get privy to different information. How do you show information to them? How do you show information to your internal employees? Masking is a next generation technology that allows you to mask the certain tables and columns that are sensitive to that agency. And if you do that in a timely manner, first generation used to take 3 to 4 months, and as Bart mentioned that you need to get information fast to these departments. The next generation will allow you to mask quickly, get that information to those people, and make sure that the database is worthless if it's compromised.